Did you know that AI models can analyze real-time cryptocurrency market data to predict price movements with uncanny accuracy, giving you a potential edge in the market? This is not a hypothetical scenario. It's a reality that's being leveraged by professional traders and investors worldwide. In this episode, we'll delve into the world of AI-powered cryptocurrency analysis, exploring how these models work, the tools you need to get started, and the potential risks and benefits associated with this approach. The use of AI in finance is not new, but its application in cryptocurrency analysis is a relatively recent development. With the rise of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing, it's become possible to analyze vast amounts of market data, news, and social media posts to identify trends and predict future price movements. But how does it work, and what are the implications for investors?
To understand how AI models analyze real-time cryptocurrency market data, we need to look at the underlying technology. Essentially, these models are trained on historical market data, which enables them to recognize patterns and make predictions about future price movements. The process involves several steps, including data collection, data preprocessing, model training, and model deployment. The data collection step involves gathering historical market data, including prices, trading volumes, and other relevant information. This data is then preprocessed to remove any inconsistencies or errors, and to convert it into a format that can be used by the AI model. The model is then trained on this data, using machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and relationships between different variables. Once the model is trained, it can be deployed to analyze real-time market data, making predictions about future price movements. This can be done using a variety of techniques, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends and predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis involves studying the underlying factors that affect the price of a cryptocurrency, such as the team behind it, the technology it uses, and the overall market demand. Sentiment analysis involves studying social media posts, news articles, and other online content to gauge the overall sentiment towards a particular cryptocurrency.
One of the most controversial aspects of using AI for cryptocurrency analysis is the potential for bias in the models. If the data used to train the model is biased, the predictions made by the model will also be biased, which can lead to inaccurate predictions and significant financial losses. Furthermore, there's the issue of over-reliance on technology, which can lead to a lack of critical thinking and a failure to consider other factors that may affect the market. Another controversy surrounding AI and cryptocurrency is the potential for market manipulation. If a large number of investors are using AI models to make investment decisions, it's possible that the models could be manipulated to drive the price of a cryptocurrency in a particular direction. This could lead to significant financial losses for investors, as well as damage to the reputation of the cryptocurrency market as a whole.
Despite these controversies, the future impact of AI on the cryptocurrency market is likely to be significant. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more sophisticated AI models that are capable of analyzing larger amounts of data and making more accurate predictions. This could lead to a more efficient and transparent market, where investors have access to the information they need to make informed decisions. The use of AI in cryptocurrency analysis could also lead to the development of new investment products and services. For example, AI-powered hedge funds could be created, which use machine learning algorithms to make investment decisions. This could provide investors with a new way to access the cryptocurrency market and could potentially lead to higher returns on investment.
So, what's the call to action? If you're interested in using AI for cryptocurrency analysis, the first step is to learn more about the technology and how it works. There are many online resources available, including tutorials, webinars, and online courses. You can also join online communities, such as Reddit and Twitter, to connect with other investors and learn from their experiences. Once you have a good understanding of the technology, you can start to explore the different tools and platforms that are available. Some popular options include TradingView, CryptoSpectator, and Augmento. These platforms provide a range of tools and features, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Finally, if you're ready to take the next step and start using AI for cryptocurrency analysis, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest developments in the world of AI and cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can gain a competitive edge in the market and make more informed investment decisions.